Hi there! In this video, we're going to show you how to add range slider views to your contact form 7. Before we begin, take a look at the main points of this video. At begin, we need to install and activate the plugin. On your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugin, Add New, Upload Plugin. You can see it's already activated. Next, create a new form. Give the form title. The first section, how to add range slider field. You just need to click on the range slider form tag, fill in the blanks, choose the scheme. You can visit to the document to see all the schemes. Choose single type and set the range from 10 to 1000. And the slider step is 1. Enter True to show grid. Add prefix to make it more vivid. Save and create a paid demo. Let's see you've added range slider field. Next, we'll move on to the section 2, how to set single or double type. Single has one handle and double has two handles on the slider. You can see details in the document. To do that, we just click to Form tag, Range slider. Add type box, typing single or double. Or you can enter at the form. Save and see. It has two handles. Moving ahead, we go to section 3, how to set the range, start point and step. To set the range, it means set min and max values. You just enter the minimum and maximum values in the box. Or you can quickly set it up at the form from 100 to 1000. Save and have a look. Next, set start point. It means the initial position of handles. When single type is selected, we can only set the left position. When double type is selected, we can set start point for the left and right handles. Input the number into the from box to set the left position for single 200. Input the number into the from box and to box to set the left and right position for double. Save and have a preview. The handle will be positioned at 200, positioned at 200 and 700 of double handles. Now we will change the slider step. You can insert to the form or type into the step box. Save and have a preview. Step is set to 10 and 100, so the handle will move in increments of 10 and 100. Moving forward, we go to section 4, how to set custom value. By setting a custom value, you can define specific points that users can choose from, rather than allowing them to select any value within their entire range. Let's do it. Save and have a preview. Users can choose values like 999, 999, and so on, rather than any value within the range. Convert it to type double. Next, we're going to handle control section for double type. It allows you to define the starting position of the left and right handles on the slider. You can only move within this range. Let's have an example. Double time. The range from 10 to 100. Step is 5. Set the desired minimum and maximum values for the left handle and the right handle. Save and have a look. The slider now adheres to the minimum and maximum value from 20 to 40 for the left and from 60 to 80 for the right. Next, we go to the section how to set prefix and postfix. You just need to enter directly into the form according to this format. It ends here. Follow us to get new updates in the future. Thank you so much and have a nice day.